Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick vehicle walk-around tour of a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior. We have a beige interior. Got some black as well as wood grain accent trim throughout. Heated seats, both driver and passenger, power seats, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Driver's seat with lumbar support, sunroof, steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside. And mileage currently at 50,532. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our display currently loading up. Okay, so first off, showing navigation. Does not currently have a memory card with navigation software. This does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto though. There is your radio and backup camera. And of course the menu can be controlled using your command module right here. And all of the awful things. Below, we've got a CD player. We've got our climate controls here as well as some buttons to navigate through some of the different menus. We've got a cigarette lighter and ashtray, cup holders. Down here you can also select different sport modes, so you can switch between different traction as well as handling settings. Okay, and our shifter. All right, we'll go ahead and hop out. I'll show you the rest of the vehicle here. Rear seats. Look at that sunroof. Quick peek back up front. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the back. We've got our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space back here. And you can always flip the switch here and fold down those rear seats in case you need a little extra storage. And push button to close. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.